then when the sunset happens, you just saw the bond. So how do you say it's going to be about after that? Whenever he asks you on behalf of Fulton County to please try this, just anyone.
This is the back side.